Today, I've got an exciting short story to boost your listening skills. Don't worry if you miss anything. The video captions are there to help you out. After the story, we'll dive into 10 questions taken from the story. These questions will improve your reading, speaking, grammar, and vocabulary skills all at once. But before we jump into the story, can I have your 5 seconds to smash that subscribe button? I noticed only 12% of you who have subscribed. Come on guys, show some love and support. Thanks a bunch to those who have already subscribed. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the story. Listening section, story title, How I Improved My English. Every morning, I wake up early and begin my day by reading an English storybook. Reading helps me improve my vocabulary and understanding of sentence structures. Yesterday, I read about a little girl who loves exploring the forest near her house. As I immersed myself in the story, I learned new words like adventure and curiosity. During breakfast, I like watching English cartoons on television. These cartoons are not only entertaining, but also educational. They teach me how to pronounce words correctly and use them in everyday conversations. Last week, I watched a cartoon where the characters went on a camping trip. I learned phrases like setting up a tent and making a campfire. In the afternoons, I practice speaking English with my friends. We often play language games where we make sentences using new words. It's a fun way to learn and practice grammar. If I make a mistake, my friends kindly correct me, and that helps me understand my errors better. Last month, we played a game where we had to describe our favorite places. I talked about my visit to the beach, using phrases like building sandcastles and splashing in the waves. In the evenings, I listen to English songs and try to sing along. Music helps me improve my pronunciation and rhythm. Last night, I listened to a catchy song about love and relationships. I couldn't help but sing along, and by the end of the song, I felt more confident in my pronunciation of words like forever and together. As a reward for my hard work, I plan to join an English speaking club next month. If I attend regularly, I'll be able to practice speaking with native speakers and gain more confidence. I believe that by constantly practicing, I can become fluent in English one day. With determination and consistent effort, I know I will achieve my goal. How was the listening part? It was easy, wasn't it? Okay, now let's move on to the quiz part. There are 10 questions that are all taken from the story. If you have listened to the story carefully, the quiz should be a piece of cake. Let's get started. Practice section, 10 questions. Question number 1. Complete this sentence. I start my day by reading blank English storybook. A, B, and C, the D. No article. Correct answer. B, an explanation. The correct answer precedes the word starting with a vowel sound, which is English. The choice of A or an depends on the sound that follows it, not just the letter. In this case, an is used before English to ensure smooth pronunciation, making it easier to say an English storybook than a English storybook. Question number 2. What tense is used in this sentence? Every morning I wake up early. A, present simple. B, present perfect. C, present continuous. D, present perfect continuous. Correct answer. A, present simple. Explanation. In the present simple tense, actions that are habitual, general truths, or routines are described. In this sentence, the action of waking up early occurs regularly every morning, indicating a habitual or routine action. The verb wake is in its base form without any additional endings, which is a characteristic feature of the present simple tense. Question number 3. What is the meaning of curiosity? A, lack of concern. B, lack of interest. C, eager to learn. D, lack of involvement. Correct answer. C. Eager to learn. Explanation. Curiosity refers to a strong desire to know or learn something, indicating an inquisitive nature or an eagerness to explore and understand the world. Options A, B, and D suggest a lack of interest, concern, or involvement, which are the opposite of curiosity. Question number 4. What does music help the narrator improve? A. Cooking skills. B. Pronunciation and rhythm. C. Painting techniques. D. Learning history. Correct answer. B. Pronunciation and rhythm. Explanation. Music helps the narrator improve pronunciation and rhythm while singing along to English songs. Question number 5. Complete this sentence below. I like blank English cartoons on TV. A. Watches. B. Watching. C. Watchings. D. Watched. Correct answer. B. Watching. Explanation. In this sentence, the verb should be in its base form because it follows the verb like. When using like to express a preference or enjoyment, the verb that follows should be in the gerund form, the ing form. Watching is the gerund form of the verb watch, making it the appropriate choice in this context. Question number 6. Which word is the main verb in this sentence? I'll be able to practice speaking. A. I'll be able. C. Practice. D. Speaking. Correct answer. C. Practice. Explanation. Practice is the main verb that indicates the action of engaging in an activity, which is speaking in this context. The other words in the sentence have different roles. I'll is a contraction of I will, indicating the subject. Able is an adjective describing the subject's capability. And speaking is a gerund form of the verb speak, which functions as the object of the preposition to. Question number 7. What type of word is entertaining in the sentence? A. Noun. B. Verb. C. Adjective. D. Adverb. Correct answer. C. Adjective. Explanation. In this construction, entertaining and educational are adjectives that describe the qualities of something, such as a TV show or a book. Adjectives provide more information about nouns or pronouns, and in this case, they describe the type of content being referred to. Question number 8. Complete this sentence. A little girl who, blank, exploring the forest. A. Loving. B. Loved. C. Love. D. Loves. Correct answer. D. Loves. Explanation. The correct answer is loves because it agrees with the third-person singular subject, a little girl, in the present tense. In English, the third-person singular subjects, he, she, it, require verbs to end with s or es in the present tense. Question number 9. What phrase is used in this sentence? To practice speaking with my friends. A. Infinitive phrase. B. Gerund phrase. C. Adverb phrase. D. Noun phrase. Correct answer. A. Infinitive phrase. Explanation. The sentence begins with the infinitive verb to practice and functions as a noun in the sentence. In the given context, the protagonist describes their afternoon routine of practicing English with friends, showcasing the use of an infinitive phrase. Question number 10. What is the present tense of felt in the sentence below? I felt more confident in my pronunciation. A. Feel. B. Fall. C. Find. D. Left. Correct answer, A, feel. Explanation. The verb felt is in the past tense. The sentence describes a past experience when the speaker gained confidence. In present tense, the verb form would be feel. Hey, how was the listening practice and the quiz? How many questions you answered correctly? Tell us in the comments section. Okay, thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys again in our next practice. Keep learning and keep practicing. Have a great day.